We're getting damaging 60-mile winds. This is not good. I have a feeling the power will go out or flash. If the power goes out, I'm not going to be probably able to record anymore. It's serious out here. I can't let the dogs out. I can't let them out at all. It's starting to get really bad. I can't let them out. Dude. Oh my God. My mom's at a doctor's appointment. He's driving in this. Don't worry, my dad is sleeping on the couch. So, don't worry, somebody's here. I hope my mom is safe, man. She's driving in this. Oh, this is just a clip of severe weather that's going on here. Do you hear that? Did you hear that? Oh my God. The neighbors are leaving. The neighbors are leaving. They're driving us now. Oh my God. The rain's blowing sideways. We're getting 60 or 70-mile winds right now. It's starting to get really bad out here. It's getting really bad out here. Rain. It's blowing sideways. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Dude! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Dude, the rain's blowing sideways. Oh my God! My God! Dude! Oh my God! We're getting a severe thunderstorm with 60 to 70-mile winds. This is a disaster! Dude, I hope my power doesn't go out. Dude. Rain's going super sideways. We're getting 60-mile winds. These have to be like 60 or 70-mile winds. They have to be. Dude, these are damaging winds. Or it's probably like a 10% chance the winds can go up to 80. Dude, this is a disaster. Oh my God! Look at the rain! If I'm still recording when my power goes out, I'm not going to be able to upload it probably until a day or two, maybe 3 days. It depends how long my power's out. If it goes out, my tablet's charged, so I don't have to plug it in. The rain's rolling sideways. Look at the rain! There's probably people that lost power now. Oh my God! Holy crap! Holy crap! Holy crap! Oh my God! Dude! Holy crap! Holy crap! Holy crap! Holy crap! Oh my God, I'm so lucky my power's not out. I'm so lucky. Oh my God. Yeah, I'm done. I'm ending this video. This is so much, bro.